Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add tags with animations to your videos in Funimate. So here, what you need to do is click on the plus layer here. Oops. Click on this blue button and then choose tags. Then just write the tags that you want to add. Example like this. Now you can always change the font to your liking. Okay, I'm going to add this one. You can also change the color if you want. You can add like a glow effect by clicking on this neon here. You can also add border if you want. I'm going to add this yellow orange border. Then you can also add shadow, but when you're done, just click on the check icon and you can position it to anywhere you like. Position the tags. Okay, and to add the animation, click on the tags here on the track and click on animation and then choose the animation that you want. So I'm going to add the zoom spin. Click on that and it will be applied just like that. You can just go back and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment and click on thanks. Bye.